there?
Oh, there's something in here, honey. Open that. See?
Oh, yay!
Okay.
Is that, who is that? Is that Buzz Lightyear?
Buzz?
Buzz Lightyear.
Open, see what else is in here. Who is that?
Buzz!
Yay!
Do you like him? It's Buzz. I know.
He's got to look for a button to turn him on.
There's no button on that one.
You
He doesn't do anything. That you can just play and walk around
You want
with.
to throw that in the garbage, Parker?
Throw away.
Throw away. Throw it in there. Throw the trash in there.
He's like, I just got it.
Yeah.
Here, can I put on your slippers? You don't want to wear your slippers?
Come here.
Here, put it back in here.
Look at his slippers.
Away. The three wise men.
All right.
Let me get the bow off.
So you filled out the tags.
Sure,
Is what's
good.
going on here. Okay.
I'm not.
Stop.
He's learning quickly.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Nana to help you?
Take the bow off. Rip it. Rip it.
Rip the paper, Parker.
He's trying to get that one.
Rip the paper.
Should we cut it off?
Can I help you? Here. Now.
There you go.
Yay!
What's in there?
He does this pretty well.
What's in there, Parker?
Look at him looking. I love
He's
him
like,
looking.
wait a minute.
So curious. Nana's thinking ain't part of that, right?
He's like, who the hell
You
wrapped
will
this?
look, yeah.
Oh my God. I'm going to be eight by the time I get this open. Who wrapped that?
Well, at least he's grabbing the string. That's
Oh! 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 Oh!
Is it cars?
Oh!
Whoa, Parker.
Oh!
Wow.
what are those, Parker? Are those
On
cars?
the paper.
Oh, he has to remove every scrap.
Next year you can just give him a little wrapping paper. He'll be thrilled. Yay!
Parker, what is this?
Are those cars?
You got all kinds of cars.
Those could be his outdoor cars.
Hmm?
We'll open it later.
We can open it over here, okay? Here, take this over. I'll be right over. Let me carry this over.
You're not.
No, doing a very good job.
Who's it from?
Crazy Nana and Papa. Need help? Whoa!
Love you.
Look at her dad. Dad's like, come on, aren't you going to say something?
What is that? Keep opening.
What is it, Parker? Get it all.
Yay!
Cool. Is that a basketball hoop?